Next question is, how do people find friends? I'm a 21-year-old female, missed out on a lot because of depression. People around me seem to pull friends out of thin air, and I have to do a lot. I'm really more of an outgoing person. I have so many ideas to do with friends, yet no friends to do them with. Every man I try to befriend is always trying to date me. It's so hard because all I want is someone to drink a beer in the sun with, or go to the zoo, or do some activity. Where do people find friends if you have no network of friends or friends? So the best thing that I want you to do, the best thing I want you to hear, the best thing I want to give to you is that you need to surround yourself with a positive community. Whether that be online, whether that be in person, whether it be on Zoom, however it is, you need to surround yourself in a positive community. There's so much negativity. There are so many sadly negative people out there, is that if you align yourself with the wrong crowd, it will destroy your life. It takes one negative person in your life to completely knock you off your balance, and now your life is off track. It takes one person. So what I need you to do is I want you to find a positive community that you can attach yourself to. That can come from volunteering online, as I said before, or if you want to go to church, a religious service, you need to find people that are dedicated to one true goal: happiness, poverty, even planting trees or something like that. That way, once you surround yourself with positive people, you kind of form a barrier around negativity, because you have that place where you can go, where you can feel positive, where you can feel love, where you feel like you can have friends. And as I've always said this before, the best thing you can do if you want to make friends is not going outside, it's not going to clubs, it's not going to meet and greets. It's first off working on yourself internally first, to make sure you're confident, you have self-worth, you're happy, all of these things before you even walk out the door. Because if you walk out of the door with a negative cloud, if you still have that negativity around you, when you try to present yourself to other people, it'll come across like you're a negative person. And that's not how we're presenting ourselves anymore. So if you want friends, if you want, a new friend group, the best thing you can do is search for a positive community in your town, in your city, because you just have to look for them. Work on yourself every single day. Become the strongest version of yourself. And then through that, you're a complete person. You found positive people. You realize that those people will start gravitating towards yourself. And I know you can do it. It's just going to take effort. It's going to take time. It might take yourself a week to heal. It might take yourself a month to heal. But you have to be able to do that first before you present yourself to other people. You owe it to the planet. You owe it to people. You want to show your best version of yourself. And even when you do get low, you now can lean on that positive community. You can now lean on your positive friends. But if you go seeking friends in the wrong environments, they are going to plague you. They are going to hurt you. They are only going to drag you down to their level. So now you're at a negative state. They're at a negative state. And it might seem like you guys are happy. But what I'm telling you is that is never how you are going to live a peaceful life. So my best advice to you is stop chasing negativity. Heal yourself. Find a community and really ingratiate yourself with the people in that community. And you'll realize how happy you can make yourself. But it all comes from here. It all comes from your inner love. I know you can do it. And I know you can do it. That's it for this podcast. It's been fun. It's been a good topic, It's been a good time. I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's happy, healthy, confident. And I guess I'll catch you guys on the next week. I'll see you guys.